Imagine waking up one day to a world devoid of oxygen. It sounds like a dystopian nightmare, but scientists predict this could be our reality billions of years from now. As the sun ages, it will expand into a red giant, scorching our planet and stripping away its atmosphere. Without oxygen, life as we know it would cease to exist. Oceans would boil, forests would wither, and the air would become a toxic haze. But how does this happen? Our planet's atmosphere is a delicate balance, maintained by photosynthesis and the intricate web of life. If we continue to neglect our environment, we risk accelerating this process. While we can't stop the sun from evolving, we can protect our planet now. By reducing carbon emissions, conserving ecosystems, and investing in renewable energy, we can ensure that life thrives for as long as possible. The future may be uncertain, but our actions today can shape a more sustainable tomorrow. Imagine a time over 2 billion years ago when our planet was a barren landscape, devoid of oxygen. Life existed, but it was simple and primitive. Then came the Great Oxidation Event, a game-changer driven by tiny photosynthetic organisms. These microscopic powerhouses transformed carbon dioxide into oxygen, gradually filling our atmosphere with this life-sustaining gas. Fast forward to today, and we thrive in an oxygen-rich world, but this abundance is not guaranteed. Scientists warn that Earth's atmosphere could shift again, potentially leading to a future where oxygen levels decline. The delicate balance we rely on is constantly changing, reminding us of our planet's dynamic history and the fragility of life itself. The sun, our life-giving star, is on a slow but inevitable journey of aging. In about 1 billion years, it will shine brighter than ever before. Imagine that. As it heats up, Earth's surface temperatures will rise dramatically. This means our oceans could boil, and the lush landscapes we know might turn into arid deserts. Life as we know it will face unprecedented challenges. Plants will struggle to survive, and ecosystems will shift in ways we can hardly fathom. It's a stark reminder of our planet's fragile balance and the powerful forces at play in our solar system. The sun's transformation is not just a cosmic event, it's a wake-up call about the future of life on Earth. As temperatures rise, our atmosphere faces a critical shift. Higher heat levels destabilize carbon dioxide, the very gas that plants rely on for photosynthesis. Without sufficient CO2, plants struggle to produce oxygen, the lifeblood of our planet. Imagine a world where trees, once vibrant, stand silent and still, unable to breathe life into our air. As oxygen levels dwindle, we inch closer to a future where the air we depend on could vanish entirely. This isn't just a distant threat, it's a reality we're racing towards. If we don't act now, we risk losing the very essence of life on Earth. The clock is ticking, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Imagine a world where the air we breathe starts to vanish. Astrobiologists warn that Earth's oxygen levels could plummet in less than 10,000 years if certain processes kick in. This isn't science fiction, it's a looming reality. Our planet's oxygen is produced mainly by phytoplankton in the oceans and forests on land. But with climate change, pollution, and deforestation, these vital ecosystems are under threat. If they collapse, we could face a catastrophic decline in oxygen. Picture cities where every breath feels heavier, where the vibrant blue skies turn gray. The implications are staggering: respiratory issues, biodiversity loss, and a shift in our very way of life. It's a wake-up call to protect our planet and its life-giving resources before it's too late. The clock is ticking, and the stakes couldn't be higher. In the harshest corners of our planet, where temperatures soar or plunge and pressures crush, life persists in the form of microorganisms. These tiny warriors thrive in environments that would obliterate most complex organisms. Think about it: deep sea vents, acidic lakes, and frozen tundras. These are their kingdoms. While we marvel at the complexity of life, it's these resilient microbes that hold the key to survival. They adapt, evolve, and flourish where others cannot. As climate change and human activity push ecosystems to their limits, it's not the elephants or the tigers that will endure, it's the bacteria and archaea, the unsung heroes of survival. In a world where extinction looms for many species, these microorganisms remind us that life is incredibly versatile. They are the ultimate survivors, thriving in extremes while complex life faces an uncertain future. So, as we ponder the fate of our planet, let's not forget the incredible resilience of the microscopic world. Imagine a world where humanity has harnessed the power of artificial ecosystems, creating self-sustaining habitats that mimic nature's balance. Picture towering biodomes filled with engineered flora and fauna, designed to thrive in harsh conditions. These ecosystems could be our lifeline, allowing us to survive environmental catastrophes right here on Earth. But what if we don't make it? What if we're already on a path to colonizing other planets, seeking refuge among the stars? The technology is advancing rapidly, terraforming Mars, building floating cities on Venus. Yet, can we truly escape our mistakes? Or will we carry the weight of our past into the cosmos? The choice lies in our hands. Innovate to survive or risk becoming a distant memory in the universe. As I reflect on the distant future, I can't help but feel a sense of urgency about our planet's fragility. Earth has endured countless changes over millions of years, from cataclysmic events to gradual shifts in climate. Each era teaches us something vital about resilience and adaptation. Understanding this history is crucial. It reminds us that our actions today shape the world of tomorrow. If we embrace sustainable practices and respect our natural resources, we can extend the livability of our planet for generations to come. It's not just about preserving what we have, it's about nurturing a legacy for those who will walk this earth long after we're gone. The choices we make now echo through time, and it's our responsibility to ensure they resonate with hope and sustainability. Imagine a world where Earth's oxygen levels are dwindling, threatening life as we know it. Could humanity find a way to adapt? Some scientists propose innovative solutions, like bioengineered plants that produce oxygen more efficiently or even artificial photosynthesis systems that mimic nature. Others suggest exploring alternative habitats, such as underwater cities or colonies on Mars, where we could create controlled environments. But what about our current ecosystems? Preserving forests and oceans is crucial, as they are our planet's lungs. Investing in renewable energy and sustainable practices can help combat climate change, which is a major factor in oxygen depletion. Ultimately, our survival hinges on collaboration and innovation. The question isn't just about technology, it's about our willingness to change our habits and protect our planet. What do you think? Could we outlive Earth's oxygen loss?